In this video, we'll create a new Webdock group using travel as an example task. First, click on the Add icon, enter a name for the group, and then click on the Add an App button. In the text field, type the name of your first app to search the store. A new icon appears in the Webdock, along with the group tab strip at the top. Click on the Add icon to open tabs in the Booking.com app. Colored indicators on each tab shows which app they belong to. The tab's tooltip menu also shows that they belong to the Booking.com app. Click on the Add icon again, but this time let's search the store again for another app. The Airbnb icon appears next to the Booking.com app top left. We're now using the Airbnb app, and so clicking on the Add icon in the tab strip creates tabs in that app. You can customize the color of your apps and tabs by right-clicking on the app and selecting a different color from the menu. We'll add one more app to this group using the Add icon in the tab strip to search the store for a match. The Expedia icon appears next to our other group apps in the top left. And we can open more tabs in the Expedia app, just like our other apps. You'll notice that all the tabs we've added so far are shown in the tab strip, and this can get untidy when there are lots of apps in the group. So right-click on the tab strip, click on Tabs, and select the Show Tabs in the Current App option. So now we only see the tabs for the app we are using, which enables us to stay focused by using tabs in the context of the task at hand. Let's switch back to the previous tab strip setting so we can see all our tabs in the group. This time, we are going to add another app to the group in a slightly different way. First, open a new tab, then search and navigate to the app you want. An app can be anything with a URL, such as a website, work intranet, or even a cloud document. Just right-click on the tab and select Boost into App. Then edit the app details if needed and click on the Boost button. This converts the tab into an app, which appears top left. Next, we're going to add our final app by searching the store again, but this time it's an app that doesn't appear in the search. So we need to click on the Create Custom App option and follow the Add App wizard. Then click on Add, followed by Next, to add the app to our group. The right-click Boost and Custom App options are two quick ways to create apps using URLs that are not in the store. Finally, let's take a quick look at customizing your group. Right-click on the group and select Group Settings. Customize options include uploading your own icon and changing group colors. You can also choose to show your app icons in the Webdock rather than the tab strip, and also enter a custom URL for the group's new tab page. For example, if we add the Booking.com URL here, it will always be displayed when creating any new tabs in the group. Groups are a great way to bring apps and other web resources together for a task or project, and it's worth taking 5 minutes to explore the group right-click menu, which has many useful options. For example, in just a few clicks you can sleep everything in the group, duplicate it, and share it with other Waveboxers. You can also keep your groups tidy by closing all tabs when you're done. And when you're done with your group, simply right-click and select Delete. Groups have everything you need to work faster and smarter online. That's all for this video. Now head over to wavebox.io to try it out. Thanks for watching.